Dafeng's HT Series portable blower is lightweight and easily moving with attractive appearance and reasonable structure. Integrated plastic handle for safe and convenient use. They have large blowing capacity, high air pressure used for both air exhausting and air extracting, so that it can flexibly supply air in remote distance and limited space. Connected with ventilation flexible duct for air suction and exhausting in long distance or deep operation area. Dafeng demands of strict quality control and ensure high quality fans before they leave the factory. Thank you.